Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. This is me, Sufi, and I'm a TOEFL certified language trainer, and I've been teaching English for the past 3 years. Today I'm going to talk about on a very special topic, and I got a request on this topic, and the topic is I am struggling with English, and I tried multiple times. Failure. At the end, I'm not getting the result. I'm facing only failure. I'm not growing. I'm not evolving. Constantly, I'm being rejected. I'm feeling devastated and whatnot. Well, through my experience, I'll be telling my genuine experience. I have been rejected. I have been said ki you are not eligible. I have been told a lot of things because of English, because of communication. What I've learned is develop positive attitude. It's very hard. It's very hard to see the progress. It's very hard to motivate yourself. But I got to learn ki nobody will. No, if you give up, if you don't do something, if you think I can't do it, nobody will clap for you. No, so first thing I learned ki you will have to motivate yourself. I know right now it is not happening, but one thing I learned ki you will have to have faith on yourself. You'll have to believe in yourself. I know right now I'm not able to do it. I'm being rejected, but I'll prove people wrong. If a lot of time it happens, you give interview and you're always said you are not eligible for this, and after trying multiple times you feel ki now this is not my cup of tea. I am not. I'm not born for it. I learned every success start with struggle, and all the successful people they have failed multiple times, and that's how they have found the ways, they have figured it out. So I know right now it's very devastating, but you'll have to believe in yourself. That's the only way I would say we can overcome this failure or whatever we are feeling. And now I would like to talk about the goal, what how I make goal and how I have improved over the time. Set achievable goal. For example, you got up early in the morning. Before sleeping, did you make something that today I have to try somewhere, today I have to work on this? Well, now what I do on the daily basis, when you get up early in the morning, what do you have? Like, what are you doing? And are you working on something? I would like to share what are you doing? Like, are you just constantly being depressed, or you are just sleeping, or are you working on yourself? If not, then who will? If you're not doing, then who will? So what I do, I for motivating myself, I celebrate my small win. Even if I just get up early in the morning and make plans or write something, or if I have to shoot video, if I do it, I celebrate it. I appreciate it for this. Okay, I did it. I'm so proud of you, Sufi. You did a great job. What you are doing? Just tell me what you are doing after getting up. You're just sleeping or scrolling, doom scrolling. You're doing, or you are working on yourself. Little things. Are you working on it, or constantly you are feeling depressed? Ki I got rejected and I'll just sit and do nothing because I am rejected everywhere. No, I think this is stupidity. So what I would say, get up, work on yourself, write it down something before sleeping. Tomorrow I have to do this. I have to apply at this particular organization. From your home itself, there's no need to travel. There's no need to go outside. If you're in this digital era, we can do it, right? So you just implement it, and please make notes, do journaling, please. Third thing I would like to share, focus on progress, not perfection. We become very toxic, but we don't know, and nobody tells us that it is toxic for you, for people, the people who's around you, for yourself. Because when you try to become perfect, you always feel empty. You feel I'm not good enough. You go through imposter syndrome, self-esteem. You feel ki mere paas to kuch hai hi nahi. I don't have anything. I'm not capable of something. So if you're feeling like this, how will you grow? I Now do not give shit. I just focus on the progress, and even if it is very small, very small. And this is the best thing I've ever learned. Sit, focus on progress, and that's how you will feel amazing. Focus on the progress, even if it is small. You got up early in the morning and made a plan, celebrate it. You got up early in the morning and watched an English video, celebrate it. Wow, you did a good job. You did something for yourself. Do it. That will help you a lot. And remember, every great speaker start from the beginning, the place where you are right now. I didn't know the difference between I and we. And look at me today. I'm a tutor. How did this happen? Because I constantly work on myself. Even I was feeling motivated. Even if I was feeling demotivated, I was not feeling like to do it, but I did it. And that helps over the time. I learned consistency is very important. Everybody knows, and you must be aware of it. So you'll have to work on it. Nobody else will come and clap for you. Already I've shared, right? So get up, work on yourself. Everything is easy when you're crazy. You'll have to crazy for this. Nothing is easy when you're lazy.